All right, guys, we're working on the pit bike again today. We're gonna start the big bore kit. So I started taking it apart. I got the carb out. Pretty dirty, but we're gonna put this big bore kit in. So take most of this off, and I'll update you when I get farther along. All right, guys, we got most of the plastics taken off, the tank, shrouds, number plate. We got the exhaust off. We got the carb off already, so we're gonna start pulling this head off and the jug and the piston and get into the big bore kit.
Explosive how I came, rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat, catch a second wind.